How can you download your Facebook data or Facebook information to your device if you're using Android? If you're using iPhone, you can do the same format for both devices. Now, what you mainly have to do is simply open the Facebook account. You can also use it on the web and you can do it on the Facebook application also. This is my Facebook app and the home page here. What I will do is simply click on the three lines on right top of the screen. From there you have to scroll down to the setting, and in setting you're going to choose an option of downloading your information. You can scroll down to check is there any option regarding download your information or device information from here. Let me just click that, and now I will click on Meta Account Center. Click on see more in Meta Account Center. Click on scroll down here, and on the third on account setting you're going to see an option called your information and permissions. Click on it. Here the second option is download your information. You can simply schedule or click on download or transfer information. Simply select your account from there. For this account, click on next, and then you can choose all the information regarding that and you can download it in the format you like. This is all about the video. Thank you so much for watching it.